Hi guys, welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have a total of 242 odds, total of 5 draws, comprises of 5 matches. Okay, yesterday we posted 3 draws, and out of the 3, 2 was successful and the other one decided to messed up. But today we believe out of these 5 draws, 4 or 5, we pray will sell through, and we believe we'll be able to make some money today. Okay guys, one of the strategy that I use to stake my games when it comes to odds like this is I try to stake them single or separately. I don't parlay them all together in one ticket. So if you want to make money from sport betting, you should be able to define your own strategy on how to go about it, so that you'll be able to get an edge over the bookies. Okay guys, as I said earlier, bet single. If you want to accumulate, you can bet average on it, so you don't stake too much when you are accumulating. Just bet average. If you are accumulating, then try to bet single, and I believe this game will turn out to be successful. As you know, as top 5 draw was postponed, and then we decided to resume it temporarily. But when the season come up fully, we'll be able to be posting top 5 draws. That means you'll be able to have up to 100 plus odds every day on our channel, and that will be on the VIP platform. And we also have 5 to 20 odds daily, and today we have 10 odds available now. So if you are interested, kindly check the description and the comment area. We'll post our WhatsApp link there. You chat us up. So that is a paid service. If you need the 10 odds for today, is for paid subscribers or VIP subscribers. Kindly chat us up. And also our Telegram channel is already available for you guys. I will post free games there also, so join the Telegram channel if you are interested in free games. Okay, let's get started. Our first game today is in Brazil Serie A, where ABCFRN is taking on AC Goianiense, and our prediction is full-time draw. They will move on to Finland, where IF Nistan is taking on Hive Helsinki, and our prediction is full-time draw. They move on to our third game today in Argentina lower division. That is Argentina Reserve League, where Godoy Cruz is taking on Terrares de Cordoba, and our prediction is full-time draw. They move on to Brazil Serie B, where Colo Colo BA is taking on Gapiona ACBA, and our prediction is full-time draw. Then the last game on our list here is in Argentina top division, the Argentina Serie A or Argentina Torpedoes, whatever they call it. The game is between Ferro Carril General Officials Club. Let me open it so that I'll be able to see this. Club Ciudad de Bolivar. So our prediction is full-time draw. So when you combine all these games together, will give you a total of 242.89 odds. I will post the booking code for those people using Sportybet. And if you are using Sportybet outside Nigeria, kindly change your country to Nigeria first before you insert the booking code. And this game is available in all bookmakers around the world. Guys, bet responsibly and good luck. Join our Telegram channel, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this if you are new, and do not forget to like this video. Thank you for staying tuned.